Hello, MetaLibraX here, bringing you to the Sound Toa Warrior Echo. Impressive, strong. Once was an arrival of Voltran, now teamed up to face again Darkuan and its forces of darkness. With this knocks on a cannon, this battle gear is capable of destroying the sound barrier with just a single blast. You may notice he also has wings that can move around, so he is capable of flying. Also, using his sound sword, he is capable of using sonic beams, a powerful force of echo, and the capability of being the most powerful sword yet. Was charged up. Not only that, his 2-in-1 bayonet blasters has Echo Punch and wipe out the competition. With the bayonet blaster, this there's sound pulses, and with the bayonet, it's similar power with its sound sword, but combining with the blaster, this makes it one powerful beam. Flipping it, but sound punch, this thing can really create a powerful shockwave, and also makes it a loud one. Every time it punches. So you can say he's probably the noisiest one. Anywho, with its tough armor, it's special to face against special attacks. If it's rough-edged armor, any foe who touches him can have some scratches on it. And as gold horn, you can tell by the golden spikes on the feet, the cannon, and the arm. This Sound Toa is an elite. Now, I'll show you the black light, but the only thing is, this is the least one. I mean, only the thing that can glow is his head. But at dark, the swords can actually glow in the dark if it's nighttime. If it was, I'll be representing this video in the dark if I had light. So, anywho, you can tell the sword glows, and same thing for this one, and you have a certain type of sets. So, this is pretty much it. I mean, look how impressive he is. He may look like the bad guy, but he's actually the good guy. That's all that Rocket Ralph has a change of heart. If you guys have seen the movie, I'm pretty sure it's awesome. But I still want to see that darn movie. It's very popular for most gamers. I mean, come on, who doesn't love video games? It's probably the ones who never play. Yeah, but anywho, this is pretty much it. If I had an upgrade for him, it would have been much more cooler. But apparently not. So that seems it. So anyway, this is MetaLibraX saying have a good day, and I hope you get making these great unique mocks. I'm pretty sure they are impressive. And you guys show me my mock, and you guys show me your mocks, I'll see the results. I could give you some pinpoint to see how to make it better. I mean, do I look like a Lego expert to you? This is just for the fun. But anyway, see you guys later.